Hello, good afternoon. My name is José Ángel Doménico Pineda Fuentes from the Mechatronics program. This will be the explanation of the practice of the Python platform. Next we show your practice 1, which is the requisite the user to enter an amount in dollars with grade. Um, dollar is a float input. Enter the amount is a dollar. The exchange rate is 16.80 pesos per dollar. So pesos is 16.80. Finally, we display the results. Print F dollars. Dollars gays with pesos mexicanos. Is that $10 is a $10 is a 168 pesos mexicanos. This practice 2. No practice is about asking the user to some data. We begin by entering the first value, which is key. N1 float input asking the user to form data. Then we enter the second value, which an N2. And enter the second number. The operation we will perform are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. We write this form. Sub that N1 more N2 sub N1 subtraction N2 N1 for N2. This is multiplication. For division and modulus, we must check if the second number is not 0, the above errors. Division that 0 modulo with division error. This is 1, 2, 3.0, 1.0, 2.0, 0.5, 1.0 is the error 0. The error 0, 0. Division that 0 error modulo with 0 error This is practice 2. This is practice 3. This is practice 3. Now practice 3 asks the user to enter two values A and B. We start with enter to value of A, enter to value of B. The formulas for the result is squared more 2 for A for B more B squared, which is the result of A more B for 2 is if the users does not enter to numeric values, we handle the error. Except value error, you must enter to numeric values. This is values A 5, values B 6, is that 121 for the one C we float the error with C does not value numerics value. Practice 5. Is a practice the user is asked to enter a number. We start with asking for an integer number. Number is int input, enter an integer number, then when check if the number is positive, negative, or 0. If number more A, the number is positive. Number as extraction B, extraction 0, their number is negative, and number is 0 is 0 is a 0. That's this is integer number 1. Integer number 1 positive. Integer number subtraction A negative, and integer number 0 is 0. Practice 6. In this practice, we ask the user for the current temperature in Fahrenheit was start with um, enter the correct temperature in Fahrenheit, that we decide the correct export based of the temperature. If temperature more 18, recommended sport swimming. Temperature more 70, recommended sport tennis. Temperature more 32, recommended sport is golf. Temperature more 10, recommended sport ski. Y um, subtraction sport, subtraction 0 is subtraction 10, recommended sport is hiking. This is 16.5. 16.5. The recommendation sport is golf. Golf. Um, 12. Temperature, actual temperature in Fahrenheit is 12. The recommended sport is ski. Next practice. This is practice. We ask the user to enter a letter grade. We start with letter is an enter the letter grade A, B, C, D, or F. Letter more letter that whipper. That whipper is a letter A, is a excellent. This letter B is a good. This letter C es igual a paced. Letter D es a poor. Y letter F is igual a failed. That this valid option. This is letter A minuscule, letter A minuscule. This is excellent. Why? The letter that upper with ingression minuscule letter that convert major letter, that's no letter that upper error. That's W is it's a no reaction error. That's why not is option. That is not option. A B C D F. Finish. W not option. The next practice is this is practice. We ask the user to enter three numbers A, B, and C. We begin with enter the value of A, enter the value of B, enter the value on C. Now we calculate the discriminate using the formulus. Solution is B for 2, subtraction for A, for C. Evaluation results. The solution has real and different rest. Solution is that 0. The solution has real and squares, and solution has imaginary rows. That one, 5, 9. The solution has imaginaries. One. The solution imaginaries. 2. Letter I, 2. Letter B, 4. Letter C, 2. The solution has real and squall. Next practice and finish the practice. This has in this practice we show the factorial of the given number. We start with asking the user to enter a positive integer. Number is an input, and enter a positive integer. We check the number is a negative. Error. Please enter a positive number. Else factorial that 1 for a in range number more 1 factorial for that 1. Print the factorial of number is a factorial. If the input is not number, we handle the error. That's one positive number. No, it's positive number. This is subtraction 1. Error has the number positive error. 1 is a factorial is 1. 102. This factorial, this is numbers, more numbers, infinite numbers. 1, this is infinite number. This is finished the presentation of the practice for the Python platform. This finish. See you later.